So again, the sections will never be bigger than what I'm using on, okay? So I'm gonna make small square sections now because it's a different look. The other one we did just a little end to end because we were doing volume, because we were doing it at half off base. Now we're doing off base. So we're creating a spiral, something that's very quirky, curly, okay? So what we do, we're gonna change direction in the curl too. So that means that my base section, my first line is going to go to the left. So the curl, when it comes out, it comes this way out of the head. Okay? My second line that I'm going to do comes this way.
So you curl it on an angle?
No.
No?
So there's a trick to it. So I'm showing you the easy way to get that. So all it is flipping the paper. The paper goes underneath on one side and above on the other. So I will be showing you each row. So once we've completed the row, I'm going to show you how to do it, and then we were going to alternate rows.
Are we stacking them vertically?
So you're horizontally.
Okay.
They automatically stack. Okay? So you're going to be measuring your rod, a little square section. So again, this is no bigger than my rod. No bigger than my rod, okay? Not length, width-wise. Okay? I'm going to stand in front of that. We use a lot of water. Water bottle. I'm holding it at 90 degrees. I'm going to take my paper, but I'm doing my paper lengthways, so my fold goes long ways, this way. Okay? You go down to the end. You take your rod, your elastic is on the outside. You start here at the very end of the rod. So I'm horizontally. I'm at 90 degrees. I wrap one complete turn. Then I turn it on a diagonal. And I start wrapping and I go down to 45. Sorry.
So does it complete it?
Yeah, you always have to keep it wet, yes.
And the complete turn should like take up all the paper or no?
Yes, you'll have, yes, it will take up all the paper. Sorry, we have to start at this end. Okay, so you start at this end, 90 degrees. You wind it at 90 degrees, the tension is here. I start to shift. Once it's anchored, I now shift on a 45 and now I'm wrapping up the rod. But my rod's coming down, so now I'm not at 90 anymore. So as I'm wrapping, I come down at a 45 so that the top of the rod hits the base and the band comes over and it lays lengthwise.
It ends up being vertical.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You always, when you start wrapping it, you always start on the right side of the rod?
Yeah, because you want to start at the bottom.
Okay.
Because we need the rod to go around like a candy cane.
Okay, so like, let's say like we go on this side, will it start on the left? Like,
Okay, so, yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. I think it's great. Yeah, don't be confused, because remember, when I teach you, I'm going to teach you step by step so you'll know it. First row, this is what we're doing. When we complete it, you're going to come back to me and I'll show you the second one so that it's a little clearer. If I show you too much, it doesn't get digested, right? Okay, so I'm going to wrap this whole thing, so just watch the procedure now, right? Measuring, combing, make sure that the hair is wet. Folding, bookending the papers long ways. Holding it at 90 degrees. Bottom of the rod horizontally. At the bottom of the rod, 2 turns. I get locked in. I now tilt it on a diagonal and I start working my way down, but up on the rod. So my hair comes down. Sorry, it's slipping. My hair comes up. Because if I do it too slow, I lose grip of it. So I'm locking in here. Once it's locked in, I keep my tension because I can't let the tension go like this. The tension has to be there. I start to turn it on an angle. I come down and I go up the rod. and my elastic comes on the outside, and they all sit.
So you're doing it at a 45-degree angle, right?
After, yes, when I'm wrapping, I come down to a 45. Okay. Yes, but I started at 90 to get that tension wrapped in, okay?
Oh, that looks so pretty when I'm done. And these are little tiny ringlets.
Like your hair.
They're so small.
Okay, 45, getting my tension, locking it in, coming down. As I go down, I wrap, and I come around.
Is this for perm?
This is a perm. This is for long hair. So this is for hair. We still, are we perming it again? No, we only do one perm. We're not putting solution on this one.
I know, but
yes.
I just...
Is that called a spiral?
This is a spiral wrap, yes.
Spiral.
Because that's what you're doing. You're spiraling it up the rod. Okay, just like, again, just like a candy cane would, right? So you're moving around the head. And so you can see that the base, this base, is coming this way. See, it's coming in this direction.
Also,
So,
like as you go by section, it'll go in the opposite way. Like the
yeah,
next
but I
section.
changed my papers and I'll show you. It's an easier way rather than having to process the other. I'll show you. Okay, so see my paper? It's coming over top of the rod. See that? Over top. 90 degrees, lock it in, then I come down at 45 and I roll. Now once we get, we're gonna go to break first. Once we get this row completed, then you're gonna come and I'm gonna show you the opposite direction of the base, which means that the base will be going to the right. And then once you've completed those, you will continue in that pattern, left, right, left, right, left, right, all the way up, and you're gonna be doing a horseshoe.